What you're about to see are next-level concept motorhomes, futuristic machines that blend design, power, and unimaginable luxury. And trust me, these are the kind of motorhomes you will never afford. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Wheels of Elegance, the channel where we explore the wildest, rarest, and most luxurious vehicles ever imagined. If you love futuristic machines and jaw-dropping designs, make sure to subscribe, because today's countdown will take you on a ride you'll never forget. Number 5. Volvo-inspired Scandinavian motorhome. Let's begin in the north with Volvo, known worldwide for safety and clean Scandinavian design. This concept motorhome feels like a Swedish spa on wheels. The exterior is futuristic yet minimal. Clean silver lines, integrated solar panels on the roof, and subtle Scandinavian curves that make it look more like a moving art installation than a motorhome. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes instantly. The lounge is wrapped in ivory white leather, paired with soft oak wood flooring and ambient golden lighting. It's calm, it's pure. It's like stepping into a high-end urban in Stockholm. There's even a glass sunroof that stretches across the ceiling, filling the interior with natural light, making every journey feel like a retreat into nature. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a meditation space that happens to move. Number 4. Mercedes-inspired luxury motorhome. From minimalism, we go to pure elegance. The Mercedes motorhome is the perfect marriage of German engineering and timeless luxury. On the outside, it carries the DNA of a luxury yacht. Smooth metallic silver curves, a tall double-deck structure, and chrome edges that sparkle under the sun. But step inside, and you're instantly transported into a world that feels like the back of a private jet. Black and beige leather recliners, wood-finish tables, crystal-clear entertainment screens, and soft ambient lighting that can be tuned for every mood, from romantic evenings to party nights. What makes it special is the two-story design. The lower deck is for entertainment, a living area, dining lounge, and kitchen. The upper deck, a private retreat, complete with a master bedroom and luxury spa shower. It's comfort without compromise, and it reminds you why Mercedes has always been a symbol of perfection. Number 3. Ford motorhome. Now let's add some muscle to the mix. The Ford-inspired motorhome takes the rugged spirit of American trucks and scales it up into a double-story beast on wheels. From the outside, it's bold, muscular, and almost intimidating, with sharp angles, aggressive LED headlights, and towering proportions that make it look unstoppable on the road. Inside, however, the story changes. You're welcomed by rugged yet luxurious interiors, thick leather recliners, steel and wood finishes, and a second-floor lounge that gives you panoramic views of the road ahead. It's not delicate, it's not subtle. This motorhome is designed for adventurers, explorers, and highway kings. It even has a garage bay underneath, big enough to carry a sports car, motorbikes, or even an ATV. In short, it's part luxury mansion, part off-road fortress. A home for those who want to live the American dream with horsepower. Number 2. Ferrari Motorhome. From raw muscle, we now switch to Italian fire. The Ferrari Motorhome is not just luxury, it's performance, passion, and design drama in one breathtaking package. The exterior screams speed, even while standing still. Aerodynamic red curves, aggressive black details, and glowing red streaks of LED light make it look like a supercar stretched into infinity. Step inside, and the motorhome feels like a Ferrari showroom fused with a luxury penthouse. The interiors are dominated by red and black leather, with carbon fiber furniture, glowing LED strips, and even a racing-inspired lounge area. It's not just a home, it's an experience. Every inch makes you feel like you're inside a supercar, except you're lounging with champagne, instead of gripping a steering wheel. If luxury had a heartbeat, Ferrari's motorhome would pulse with speed. One Bugatti hypercar motorhome, and finally, the crown jewel, the Bugatti motorhome, a masterpiece that blends hypercar design, futuristic technology, and billionaire-level luxury. From the outside, it looks like nothing else. Black and blue aerodynamic curves, chrome trims, and a design that resembles a hyper yacht on wheels. It's a motorhome that doesn't just move, it glides. Step inside and prepare to be stunned. The lounge is wrapped in black leather with diamond blue stitching. Panoramic glass walls surround you, and futuristic lighting makes the entire cabin glow like a spaceship. Every detail screams luxury. From hand-finished surfaces to AI-powered smart systems that adjust lighting, climate, and even the view on digital glass walls. This isn't a motorhome. It's the future of living on wheels, a space where technology, comfort, and art exist in perfect harmony. And that's why it takes the #1 spot. So there you have it. The world's 5 most insane, futuristic, and luxurious motorhome concepts. From Volvo's calm Scandinavian spa, to Mercedes' double-deck elegance, to the aggressive muscle of Ford, the fiery passion of Ferrari, and finally, the hypercar perfection of Bugatti. These are not just vehicles, they are lifestyles. They represent freedom, power, and a glimpse into how billionaires of the future might travel. Which one was your favorite? Would you choose the quiet luxury of Volvo, or the fire of Ferrari, or go all out with the Bugatti dream? Tell me in the comments below. And remember, these designs are AI-powered concepts, not official products, but they show us how far imagination can go. This is Wheels of Elegance, where the road is never ordinary. See you in the next video.